Hi, everyone. My name is Drew Madeling, and I'm here with Joanne Klein. And we're here to talk to you a little bit about our upcoming workshop at SharePoint Fest, where we're going to be actually going through some real-life scenarios for how to implement data governance in Office 365. Myself, my name is Drew. I do work with a lot of customers around the data governance framework, especially in the Microsoft stack, and really how to fully take advantage of these capabilities. Some of the ones that I will be going through, or as together as a team, around really Azure information protection, sensitivity labels, and how the new unified labeling concept and some of the new functionality and how they all work together. And that's going to give us a good baseline for how to establish your security framework. And then Joanne, I know you've done some more work around some of the retention side, so why don't you introduce
Right.
yourself and talk a little bit about what you'll be going through?
Sure. Hi, everyone. I'm Joanne, and I spend a lot of time working with clients on the retention side of the data governance. So that's what I'm going to be talking about, really focusing on where Microsoft is trying to implement some intelligent retention capabilities in Office 365. So some auto labeling, event-based retention, talk about some of the things that are on the roadmap to really make the retention capabilities much better than just manually getting end users to apply their labels. So we're going to be doing that, as well as we're going to be covering some e-discovery things at the end of it, which is, kind of an end story to having everything retained and protected in your environment. Yeah. So what are we going to have as a takeaway, Drew, for everybody that attends our workshop?
Yes. So, I mean, we're going to be trying to tell the whole story of getting started with your data governance process. So there is a lot there. Right? We just named multiple
Yeah.
different technologies.
Yeah.
There is methodologies that we've helped implement customers through. Some, because every customer is different, every employee, every client is different, everyone is different. And what we wanted to put together and what we have is some actual tangible takeaways that you can bring back to your business. Some of the processes and reasons to do this, because a lot of the things that we talk about here is you can't do everything at once. And what are some of the things that you should really be starting with on day one? And what are some of the things you should be looking at maybe 3 months or 6 months from now? And a lot of that's going to be dealing with licensing and your environment. So we'll walk through all of the different scenarios that we've worked with and that we hope will benefit you in the end as well, and actually be able to take that home with you at the end of our workshop.
Yeah, I think everyone's going to have learn quite a few things. We have lots of live demos and, like Drew said, a tangible takeaway at the end of it. So I think it's going to be a really good workshop.
It will be.
Yeah.
We look forward to seeing you guys there.
All right. Bye, everyone.